Hey, how's it going? I'm just looking up some crystals. Did you know that you can make your own crystals? Yeah, you can at home. You only need a few things. Do you want to learn how to make them? Okay, I'll show you. Let's go. You'll need the following ingredients. Paper towels are starred because I forgot to include them in the photo. Whoopsie. 2 cups, which are optional. I just like having something to put my borax in instead of taking it straight from the box. You'll need a mug for mixing. Anything that's just safe to have boiling water in it. Doesn't have to be a mug. You're going to need borax, food coloring, a clear container, also optional. I just like to be able to see the crystals forming. You'll need string, skewer, pipe cleaner, and I drew a little spoon because I also forgot to include that in the photo. So what I'm doing first is I'm taking a couple pipe cleaners. I'm going to twist them and make them into like a circular shape. So I would recommend using like 2 at the minimum, 3 at most. Next, grab your borax and pour some into a cup for easy mixing. I've gone ahead and boiled some water off camera. About a spoonful at a time, you're going to want to mix your borax into your boiling water.
1 eternity later.
Keep adding borax until your mixture is cloudy and stir until it's dissolved. Go ahead and add food coloring now to your mixture. Whatever color you want is fine. Today I'm choosing red. I want my crystals to come out a really nice pink color. Just add as much as you need until you get the desired hue that you want. What I'm doing now is I'm grabbing my string. I'm going to cut off a small piece, putting my borax mixture to the side. I'm going to take one end of the string and I'm going to attach it to the pipe cleaner form that we made earlier. Now you're going to watch me unsuccessfully transfer my borax mixture into this clear container. This is where the napkins come in handy. If you have any messes or spills, do a thorough job of cleaning up your workstation. Once you've transferred your borax mixture into your desired container, you're going to take the pipe cleaner that we attached string to earlier, and you're going to submerge it into the mixture, making sure it's fully coated and wet. Now you're going to tie the other end of your string to your skewer, and before you tie it real tight, you're going to want to make sure of a couple things when you put it in your mixture. Make sure your pipe cleaner is fully submerged, it's not touching the bottom, and it's not touching the sides. So here are how my crystals came out. I did 2. The first one, as you can see, didn't come out pink really at all. There are some holes in it, which is fine if that's what you want, but I wanted mine to be not showing holes. So for my second one, I tried adding a little bit more color and it looks a little bit better. There are a little bit of holes. For this one, I used 1 pipe cleaner instead of 3. I think for my first one, I think it also didn't work out too well because I didn't mix it and do the crystal quickly. In the video, it's really sped up, so it looks like I did it really fast, but I think it's important to have the water still hot when you're doing everything. So for this one, I was quicker about it. I think next time I would have added definitely a lot more food coloring so it would be a lot more vibrant. I tried going for purple, but it still kind of just looks like an off-white gray color, which I like. That's what's cool about science, right? You get to try different things, and if it doesn't work out, you tweak things, you make some changes. So get to experimenting, find out what works for you, and go ahead and put in the comments how it turned out for you, what worked, what didn't. Just have a good time. Thanks for joining me today on Steam Saturday. I'll see you next time. Bye.